Unlocking new beginnings, understanding, write a new chapter. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere. Write a new chapter. This expression is rich in meaning and can add a lot of depth to your conversations or writings. So, let's unlock the secrets behind it and see how you can use it in your daily English. When we talk about writing a new chapter, we're not just speaking about books. This phrase is a beautiful metaphor used to describe starting a new phase or period in life. It suggests a significant change or beginning, much like how a new chapter in a book signifies a shift in the story. It's about leaving the past behind and embarking on a fresh journey or undertaking a new challenge. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase can be used in everyday conversations or writing. Personal growth. After years of the same routine, I've decided to write a new chapter in my life by going back to school. Career changes. He's writing a new chapter in his career by switching to a completely different field. Overcoming challenges. She's writing a new chapter after her recovery from illness, focusing more on her health and well-being. New beginnings. Moving to a new city is an opportunity to write a new chapter full of adventures and new friendships. This phrase is powerful because it embodies hope, transformation, and the possibility of change. It encourages people to see life as a story that they are authoring, where they have the power to start fresh whenever they choose. It's a reminder that it's never too late to change the course of your story and pursue new horizons. Be mindful of the context. Use this phrase when talking about significant changes, not minor ones. Emphasize the positive. It's often used to highlight positive and hopeful transitions. Combine with personal stories. When sharing personal experiences, using this phrase can add depth and inspire your listeners or readers. Write a new chapter is more than just an expression. It's a perspective on life that encourages growth, change, and new beginnings. We hope this video has inspired you to think about your own life's chapters and how you might be ready to start writing a new one. Remember, every day is an opportunity to turn a new page. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Stay tuned for more insights into the beautiful intricacies of the English language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.